Hello dear Kunomailer! We have new features and highlights of the new Kunomail 2022 for you again. Welcome to our new video. Maybe you have seen it in the last video. Kunomail is about to get a mega update until its first birthday in December 2021. Until then, we will keep you up to date with our new videos. So, we will go to our new Kunomail 2022, and we have already shown you a video background in the last video, but simple backgrounds will be possible like this one with a picture or gradients. So you can also click here and see the picture in full view, and later we want to have like a picture show, and then you can show pictures from the last holidays or something like this. And just by clicking here again, you are back in the email client. So you see this one right here, this little bubble, that's a highlight and a favorite. So you can click here. I click here in the bubble, and now you can comment your email. So I can answer this, important, something like this, and you can choose a bubble to stand out. So I will take this one and continue. So, and now you can see there's a bubble highlight here. So I have now a better overview about what is important for me and which is not important for me. So you can also say, okay, I have favorites here, my folder. So I will put that email here to favorites, and now I have it here in my list. So, and this drag and drop is really fast now, so I will show it to you now. I have a box here and put this one in my archive. So, and it's gone. So that's really fast. Everything is really fast now. If you are deleting emails or drag and drop, switching between the folders, that's something that a lot of Kunomail users wanted, and so do we. So that's a very important thing to notice. We show you that this column width is now much easier to use, so you can switch this, and you can go to your settings, and you can go to start and stop and restore last session. So, and I will save this setting and will open Kunomail again. So, and if you can see here, my column width is like before, like I have saved it. So you can change it. Oh, this is the start assistant, and you can change it in the settings too. You can click it out and save it. So that's our new highlights and favorites with the new update. Oh no, I just forget something. Sorry. That's something I want to show you. I have this email here, and there are some attachments. And now you can see the attachments in one view. You can see it. So that's very important, because now you can see it before you download it. So if you click here right, you can open the attachment or save it. You can just click here and have a view at your attachment, or you can go here in the emails and click here on the attachment sign and save all attachments, so you can download it all together. So thanks for watching and tuning in again, and we love to see you again soon, so stay tuned. Your Kunomail team.